stream as well.
So while the rain is still pouring, let us take this time to introduce Klok to you
Plates already
guys.
dropped.
Katong wala pa kailan ni Klok. So by the way, Klok is
The world leading travel may echo din.
mag-change that vibe.
So Klook, by the way, is the world leading travel activities and services booking platform with
It's
more
extreme.
than 100,000 activities
Yeah, covered,
across
but
over 350
get wet,
destinations
definitely.
worldwide. Like Cebu.
Yes.
The wind is
I
pretty
love the
scary.
microphone is giving very holy, right?
This is
But
pretty
tonight,
rainfall.
ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you guys have Klok downloaded on your phone because we will be giving away 5,000 pesos worth of Klok voucher. And again, if you guys didn't know, Klok is the #1 world partner when it comes to travel. Because Manong and Beshi, here at Klok, it is very easy and simple to book all your travel needs. Hotels, activities, tickets, international man or local, Manila, Florida, make sure you guys install and download Klok on your phones right now so you get a chance to win our amazing prizes and most especially our grand prize na 5,000 pesos worth of Klok voucher. Diba?
Doesn't stop.
So we
Continues.
experience a rain Beshi.
Heavy.
To experience a rainbow, okay, basta yung
Pero for all you users, good news, more than just the price
Go
that we're
stronger
giving
and
away
stronger.
tonight, if you
Right now we are really in it,
both
yes.
by Klok and use the promo code
Klok, laag na, you get
Pretty much
15%
underwater, yeah.
off on your first booking.
Even it's real.
So, okay na kayo
Again.
happy na via summer no.
Yeah.
So, mga ajuda. And by the way, for Cebuanos here tonight, no, kasi mga taga Cebu dire. Wow, naidagay taga Cebu. So, katong mga wala kabalo, ang Klok is not just for international travel. So, pwede dyan go.
o baka mo kalma ang rain, pero feel na ko na na-install na ang mga people here
I think
na wala
so.
kay Klok.
Yeah.
At katong mga naay Klok na you're very open or very welcome to participate.
Yes.
Diba? So our game again is very simple. Tonight,